In this video, we present to you a hurricane-proof shipping container retreat by Cargotecture. Welcome back. This two-story container retreat designed to handle high winds and storms, built using 4 20-foot shipping containers. 2 20-foot containers are joined together and stacked on top of 2 containers, serving as living spaces, while the containers below serve as storage space. The upper level of the house is accessible via an external staircase, with the main entrance leading into a bright and open-plan living area. The lounge space of this amazing home features a comfortable sitting area, the storage cabinets, and a floor mat that defines the space. The large glass doors and windows open onto a spacious terrace, which helps to double the living area by creating a seamless indoor-outdoor experience. Next to the lounge area is a well-equipped kitchen with all modern appliances, high-gloss white cabinets, quartz countertops, and all-in-one washer-cum-dryer. This kitchen is perfect for anyone who loves to cook and entertain guests. The master bedroom is located off the living area and is fitted with a cozy bed and a closet space. The bright color palette of the interior makes the space look larger and brighter. This shipping container home has a spacious bathroom situated off the kitchen area, featuring a shower cubicle, a toilet, a vanity, and a charming porthole window that amplifies brightness, making it feel more spacious. The house has a stunning hardwood timber deck that provides an expansive outdoor entertaining area with captivating views. The house exterior is as eye-catching as the interior, with the grooves of the raw shipping container walls repainted in red and visible throughout. Kindly give us your opinion by posting in the comment section below. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and feel free to share it. You are encouraged to subscribe to our YouTube channel and feel free to visit our website sheltermode.com, where we showcase amazing shipping container home designs that can be ideal for your DIY project. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.